It's Derek's bath time, which we love. Derek takes good, nice baths. Mommy's washing his hair. He loves it. He loves the bath. He loves the bath. Right, Derek? Say, I love the bath. We gotta really get under that double chin. He could be high. A lot of dirt could get under there and under his arms. Now we turn him over. This is his favorite part, kicking and swimming. He's such a good swimmer. He's such a good swimmer. Look at him kick those legs. He's a little fish. He's a little fish. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. He loves it. He loves bath time.